All this. It's like a Christmas gift.
It's the chocolates.
Ah, this is chocolate.
Yes, I think so.
It's filming.
Yes, it's been.
Maybe I will forget. La la.
Just have to put it in slots. Caffè crema, classico.
Ah, there is one for a specific flavor.
And Honduras.
Honduras.
So it's not
Medium
kilos.
dark roast.
It's not kilos. It's 25. No, 250 grams. So each.
Each package. And this was a slow food coffee edition.
Just pamphlet. The chocolates.
The flavor.
What's the flavors of chocolates?
Wow. Oh, another pack.
Oh, so 2 kilos.
Another package. Wow. We have 4 package. Oh. So it's not, I thought 1 kilo. So
Each one is
250.
different.
Wow. Ceramic mug. Beautiful. Oh, it's on the go.
Yeah.
Mug. Tumbler.
Oh. Yeah.
I thought it's plastic. Yeah,
Yeah,
it said that's ceramic. Oh,
Yeah,
it's
it
a
is ceramic.
mug. So it's gonna
Ceramic with silicone cup.
break when it's filled.
Well,
When you
fancy stuff, I guess. I don't know. Okay.
Maybe it's not gonna leak. Oh, there it is. There is.
Cool, I leave it.
Oh, and this 2 espresso glasses.
Espresso, yes, espresso.
Espresso.
Yeah, espresso, yeah.
Espresso.
Is espresso from express?
Espresso. Oh, mini.
Yeah,
It's for strong coffee.
Yes, it's for strong coffee.
Whoa.
And it's
Strong coffee.
thermo glass, so it's double-sided.
Wow, cute.
Not double-sided, double walls.
But I don't like.
Well, these are probably
strong
for you.
coffee.
This is your size.
This is mine. Wow. Oh, it's hard to grab like this.
Yeah,
Maybe
that's
with
why.
handle.
That's why I don't want to buy the originals, because their cups,
Especially on
their
my-
mugs don't have any handles, so
Especially my hand is small. It's hard to grab.
we have to buy pretty similar to these
With
double
handle.
walls, just with handles.
So that's all. Oh, it should be
I don't know.
first.
Read about it. Read which is good.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
I want cappuccino. Medium dark.
Oh, I don't know.
Roasting.
Arabic. You have aroma and intensity on each one, so you can choose the dots on the bottom.
Which that's this?
Yes.
I want cappuccino.
It doesn't really matter. There is ideal for
Ah,
cappuccino
this.
and other stuff.
Coffee crème.
There is here ideal for and there.
Oh, it's pretty much the same. Oh,
Yes.
just this classico espresso and this.
I don't know,
Selection.
different mix,
Aroma
whatever.
intensity. Okay. Maybe just this.
So maybe just this.
Now, I turn it off.
You turn it off.
Oh, this also, this.
Così, show this. This, this, this.
What? I want to show that. This. We have hot. Hot and cold.
You're hot and you're cold. Yes, yes.
But pause it. Only one of that mug.
Yes. It's still pretty expensive mug actually. Normally you get a version with a mug for 200 zloty, more than this. So this is, normally we would pay 5,000 for all of this and we paid 3.5. Just open only the top of the bag so we can still close it. Or maybe we can just put it in some jar if it's open already. Check if there is no zip. Wait, I will start recording. 3, 2, 1, and you're live.
Is it enough water?
What?
It's not enough water.
Take it out. Filter.
Until the max here.
Yeah. Just let it go. Just You will have to tap it again probably. I think it's only pouring water for a minute.
What do you want?
I want you.
What do you like?
I like shrimps.
Tapak. It's on na. Oh, I forgot this.
Oh my God. Pull it down a little so it won't splash.
So that.
It's heating.
It's peeing.
Well, there is always some residue in the pipe, so it's cleaning before it makes the coffee.
And then this na. And this.
Push.
It's enough. But
What
me.
do you want?
It's me now. Hot.
This one.
Maybe this is there.
I don't know, maybe large is enough.
Maybe
here.
large.
You can try, yeah, probably. It's still gonna brew the old coffee probably because there is still some inside. Cold from the milk.
It's perfect, that size, large. Oh. Oh, it's just perfect.
Yeah, their sizes are made
Done.
for this. You want to save it or what?
Save. Now, this. Take it out.
Mm.
Maybe it doesn't need to clean and clean.
Well, you
Yes.
don't have to clean if you want to make another coffee,
Yes,
hot
or-
coffee.
So,
If you don't want to make hot coffee, you have to clean it.
yours. Make
Gotta clean that shit.
what clean? You now. You operate.
Okay.
I thought you don't have to clean.
You have to clean if you're not
Because-
using it.
Because you're gonna use how cold.
Technically, if you're really lazy, you can just let it flow on the bottom there, but it's
No.
more hygienic to use the cup.
Now yours. Cold. Cold. Remember to switch on your account. And just cold.
Maybe there is actually enough space here for it. Yeah, there is. Yeah,
Why?
maybe a lot of floating. Because if you don't choose any of these, then you have all of them, hot and cold. You don't have to choose this to see the same coffee I'm gonna make anyway. Okay, latte macchiato.
I show the what we have this. But
This is cold, but you can just
Yeah,
see
show-
all of them.
yes, so show it.
Espresso flat white, cold brew, espresso soul, double espresso, latte macchiato cold, cappuccino, cappuccino cold, normal coffee, cold brew, mix, cafe latte, americano, cafe latte, this is cold and hot, cold coffee, doppio, espresso, cold, cappuccino mix, flat white cold, long, cold brew cappuccino, normal cappuccino, this is yours I think, americano cold, espresso macchiato, cold brew latte, cortado, cappuccino mix, cold, hot milk, cold milk, coffee pot, cold brew pot, tea and hot water.
So many.
So, what did they choose? Okay, cold. And I'm going to risk it with a large. No, just medium. It's extra ice. Yes. I know. Oh shit.
Oh,
Is it?
oh, too much.
Oh no.
Mm.
No, it's okay. This is gonna take longer. Cold coffee is taking longer because it doesn't heat it up. It's just pushing the cold water through the coffee and pipes. Oh my God! It's my best one yet. We'll see if it's the best one yet.
Cleaning now. Done.
We can turn it off, but I don't know if it's enough space here.
Any other stevia?
You should do it in the beginning.
Yeah, I forgot. Not much, huh?
Not matcha. This is not matcha.
Okay. You can eat now.
Check if it's enough.
Six. Cheers. Good. Good.
Good.
Yum yum. Now let's eat.
South America.
Take a bite, yeah.
South America. They're the same.
What's the flavor of this?
Luxurious Piedmont PGI Hazelnut Gianduja, filled with 60% dark chocolate and a surprising combination of textures.
Let's bring this to your parents so they will try. Oh,
Yeah.
it's just small one.
Yes, yes. It shouldn't be big.
Hazelnut.
Oh, it shows here.
Only with Piedmont hazelnut.
Piedmont.
Choose your victim.
I'm gonna choose the yellow. Well, the gold actually. It's not that easy to open. Oh, it's here in the sides.
To make it equal.
Mine is more dessert.
Hazelnut is hazelnut.
Well, yeah, it's hazelnut. Since it's hazelnut, it's hazelnut.
Yours is what?
Dark chocolate filling with whatever is on the outside. Is Piedmont, PGI, Hazelnut, Gianduja.
Gandulla.
I have to Google that stuff. I don't know any of these words.
Maybe this is. This is.
These are so.
This is more
These are dark chocolate.
strong. Yes, dark. 100% cocoa.
It's
Cocoa.
yes, South American and South African chocolate. One is 100%. The American.
Yes. There's one.
No, wait. So
Four.
both are South America. One is 80%, and the other one is 100.
375% and 300%. So 3 of every flavors has 3
No.
pieces. Oh, 1, 2,
yeah.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
From 75 to 100%. And there is like Honduras coffee too. What's inside and how it's made.